Okay, all right. So today what we're gonna do is hopefully it's not gonna happen. We're gonna spend 2 days on some regions questions. Okay. Let me see if I could go faster because again, I feel bad that you guys been watching like long videos, meaning like over 15 minutes for the past, at least the past 3 consecutive days. But again, I cannot wait to get out of this unit soon enough so that we can start on the most important unit of the year. Okay, so yep, let's start and let's see how far we can go, and hopefully let's just only spend 1 day on this. Okay, all right, we'll see. Let's go. All right, let's pick up where we left off yesterday. All right, so now here we have our first question for today at least. All right, a recursive define. Okay, sure. All right, hold on. Hold on. All right, now these are slightly different sorts of questions. Okay, and I just want to show you that. All right, now here's the thing, right? If the first term given is 5, all right, now they want to know the term of A4. So what we need to do is actually start with the second term first, right? So what's the second term? Now I want to show you how to read this, okay? Because we didn't really spend that much time on this. So I'm using this opportunity to show you these sort of questions. Now here, what this really is saying, by the way, have you noticed the notation's a little weird, right? N plus 1 and then n, meaning like for A, so watch this. For the second term, take 2, multiply this to the term before that, which is A1, right? And then subtract 7 from it. Now, as you all know, the first term is 5. So that's all this is. 10 minus 7 is 3. That's it. So what about A3, right? The third term. Well, it's 2 times the term before that, which is the A2, and then take away 7 again. What does that mean? 2 times A2, which is 3, right? This 3 right here, minus 7. So that's 6 minus 7, that's negative 1. A4 then is 2 times the term before that, which is A3 minus 7, which means it's 2 times negative 1 minus 7. Okay, negative 3 minus 7 is negative 10. Are we there yet? Did I do something wrong this time? Hold on. I can't believe this. Oh wait, oops, multiplied it. Oh yeah, I thought this was a 3. Yeah, it's negative 9. That's why. Okay, all right. Yep, oops. All right, okay, that's it. Okay, good. Moving on. Now here, we got a sequence of blocks. 6, and I believe that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's 10, right? Now here they gave us the first thing and also the recursive formula, okay? They want to know what happens when this is what? 7, right? So the first thing, first term is 1, second term is 3, third term is 6, fourth term is 10, so they want to know what's the 7th term, okay? So now, you can look at it in a couple of ways, right? The first one is you could actually, you know what? What's the fastest, easiest way? Actually, you could use this formula too, but let's see. If they want to know A7, then they want to know A6, right? Yep, forget that, all right? So, super duper fast. We have these points, 1, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth, right? 3, 6, so on and so forth. So again, let's use the formula. Okay, so we'll find the slope. So that's 3 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. That's 2 over 1. So the common difference is 2. Now, we just need to know what else is being done to the equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to substitute, right? So we're going to do y equals to mx plus b, right? By the way, with arithmetic sequences, we could do this, okay? So let's see, 1, 1. You know, let me use the second one, all right? So let's see, 3, I'm using this point, all right? That's what I'm trying to say. 3 equals to 2 times 2 plus b. 3 equals to 4 plus b, so b is negative 1, right? So the equation is y equals to m, right? That's this guy, x plus b. Now, that itself doesn't do anything for us. We got to substitute. So 2 times 7 minus 1, 13. Okay? All right. Next one. For this one, let's see. By the way, I think if you really want to like just try these on your own, press pause on every question and just try it. I think that's still the best way to go. Okay? Now, here again, very weird, right? We haven't really seen this before. So what do we do here? All right. Look at this, right? Now, this is being multiplied, so, and they want to know A5. So A1 is 1, right? What's A2? A2 is 2, right? That's what n is for, times the term before that, A1. In other words, it's 2 times 1, and that's 2, right? And then we have A3, which is 2, no, it's 3, my bad, 3, right? Times the term before that, so that would be 3 times the term before that. That would be 6. A4 would be 4, right? Times A3, all right? 4 times A3. A3 was 6, so that's 24. And then lastly, A5 is 5 times A3, so that's A4, right? The term before that, what would that be? It would be 5 times 24. What's that? What's 5 times 24? 120. That's it. Okay? All right. Now, if you really, really want to, try this one on your own, because I've shown you 2 examples already. So if you want to, press pause and then try that one, okay? Press pause right now. All right, and we're back. Now, the only thing I would want to highlight here is just so that you can see this, okay? That in a recursive sequence, right? So for example, f of 2 is negative 2, that's given here, right? And the term before that, right? That's what this is for, right? N minus 1, the term before that, well, that was 3. So how do we get this 3 in here? From here, right? I'll use a different color. So how do we get this negative 5 here? From here. How do we get this 11 from here? From over here. And lastly, how do we get this negative 21? To do this last one, we got it from here. Okay, that's all. All right, now, let's keep going. All right, I know I'm going a little fast. But, you know, if you pause and do this, then, you know, it would be normal time, I guess. All right, this one. We got this whole thing going on. Again, actually, do you want to try this? You know, let me do this one, let you try the next one. How about that? So, okay, let's go over this again. F of 1 is 2, right? And this is the second equation, right? So, now, the first one is 2. The second one is negative 5 times this guy, right? So the term before that, which is 2, right? Plus 2. It's like that. Negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8, right? And then, by the way, once you see this, you're basically like left with 2 and 3, by the way, just so you know, right? So the third term is negative 5 times the term before that, negative 8, right? This negative 8 right here, plus 2. That's that's positive 40 plus 2, that's 42, and there you go. That's it, and not that. Okay, that's how you do that, all right? Try number 11 on your own, all right? So press pause right now, and when you come back, I will show you the answer key. Okay, and we're back again. It's kind of like this, not kind of, it's exactly the same thing as the previous one, okay? All right, let's see how we're doing here. Oh man, we got 2 more. All right, let's give it our best. All right, now, where were we? 12, okay? Given this formula, all right, what do we do? This one's slightly tricky, okay? So that's why I feel compelled to show you this. Now, the second term is the term before that. So 2 times the term before that plus 1. So it's like this, by the way. It's written like this. The term before plus 1, like that. Okay, so that's 2 times 4. And that's how I got 8. Okay, likewise, what do they want? They want all the way to A4. Okay, all right, so 2 times the previous term plus 1. That's 2 times 9. That's 18. What about the fourth term? That would be 2 times the term before that, right? This guy. Plus 1. Oops, almost. Oop, I forgot. All right, you see? I wasn't careful. All right, 2 times 19, 38. That's it, okay? All right. Now, let's try this one, okay? 5 for the sequence. Okay, this one, I wanted to show you this because this is very similar to 6 and, oops, to 6 and 7. So I want to show you this and just show you just how easy it is to answer these questions, okay? So for the sequence of these numbers, the expression that define the nth term, this is, hey guys, all you have to do is this. Just put this in. If a is of 1, let me get my highlighter. If a is of 1 is 27, then all you have to do is just put 1 in each of these choices, substitute, so use your calculator. All right, whichever of these 4 that, you know, gives you back negative 27 as an answer, then you know you're good. And that happens to be choice 4. Okay, that's it. Now, why don't you guys try 6 and 7 right now, and I'll show you the answer key, okay? So try 6 and 7 right now. All right, and we're back. All right, so that's 6 and 7. Now, let me check the time. Okay, I wanna see if I could keep pushing. Okay, so hold on. All right, I just made up my mind. So I looked at the rest of the questions that we have to do. How do I say it? Not as difficult as I thought it was going to be. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this last one with you guys, and then afterwards give you the opportunity to try some of these on your own, and then show you the answer key. Okay, I think you know, because this is unit 9, day 7 or 8 already. I don't want to spend 8 days in a unit where only one question is going to show up on the Regents. So okay, all right, let's get to it. All right, in 2014, the cost to mail a letter was 49 cents for up to 1 ounce. Okay, all right. So, and then every ounce additionally costs 21 cents, right? Which recursive function can be shown, right? Cost of a 3-ounce letter in cents, right? So, okay, now, the first ounce is 49 cents, right? And then subsequently, right? So meaning the common difference afterwards is this. So think of this like the slope, right? Think of this like the slope, right? So now, if we go back to the recursive formula, plus the common difference, right? So this is the original recursive formula, right, that you guys have to memorize. Remember it was this? When we deal with recursive formulas, you have to tell them which the first term is, and then like for the second one, 3-ounce letter, right? Is that what they want to know? 3-ounce letter. Okay, actually, no, we can just keep it like this, because look at the choices. Plus the common difference, which is 21. That's choice 1. That's it. Voila. Okay. All right. See, not as bad as I thought. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is this. I am going to show you 2, 3, 4 right now. Just 2 and 3 right now. So press pause. And then actually, yeah. So, yep. Do 2 and 3 right now. Press pause. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you a few more questions all the way at the end. I'll show you the answer key. Okay? All right, so press pause right now. Okay, all right, here's the answers to 2 and 3. All right, I'm going to move on. Show you 4. Oh, man, I made these too big, that's why. Look at 4 right now. And when you come back, I'll show you the answer key. Okay, all right, here's the answer for 4, all right, going down to 5 right now, so try 5 right now. All right, here's the answer to 5. So here we are, the last 3 questions, so press pause right now. And here we go. All right, here are the answers to the last 3 questions. Okay, all right, now I know what I did in this unit, I would say, especially toward the end of it, was a little bit, not like how I usually do it, all right? But, I hope that this video was able to help you, and if you have any questions based on what we've done in this lesson, you can always find me for extra help after school, okay? All right, so that's it, all right? Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there. Let's start on the new unit tomorrow, and hopefully I'm going to go a lot slower in the next unit because, again, like I said, it's the absolutely most important unit of the year, and I would go so far as to say it's probably the most important unit of like the last 3 years of math. Okay, so it's a big deal. All right, so let's take our time and get as much of that done as possible. Okay, all right, have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
OMG, that was so good.